Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video, I'm going to do another unboxing, and if it's not projecting on the screen right now, I'm actually really excited. So I've got here the Constellation. Okay, I've been wanting a variegated Monstera for so long, and it is pretty expensive. Okay, I got this from a private seller from Facebook. And fortunately enough, they still have an available cutting, which I will show you guys later on, amongst another two plants that are very special as well. So firstly, let's unbox this Monstera Constellation. All right. Let's go. All right. You guys probably won't see it yet. This box is really big. I'm probably getting a plant ban after this. I think I'm just gonna have to rip it up. Very tough. Sorry guys, you guys can't even see it. Alright, so the seller is actually Strings and Chains. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So at the top here, it's just got a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, and it's here. Oh, by the way, something I didn't tell you guys is this package has been in here for 4 days, so hopefully it still looks good. All right, so here it is. Wow, finally got one. Oh, look at that. All right, it's a bit beaten up at the moment because obviously it's in the package. Oh, a little bit damaged there. Hopefully they didn't open it up and check inside it, but obviously once I get this potted up, hopefully it'll be much better. For those plant enthusiasts out there, you'll know what the value is of Constellation. So I'm just very blessed to finally own one and have one. And I think this one's about to shoot up a little baby. There. Tiny baby. Hopefully the roots are looking quite well. So it's here in sphagnum moss. Oh, that's really nice. Look. Okay, so that means the roots are actually really healthy. And this cutting is actually calloused really well. So hopefully we're not gonna get any root rot from there. And that root is just, gorgeous. Alright, the second plant that I want to show you guys is something that I won from an online competition. And it's just one of those Facebook promotion of a company of vine and branches from Thornhill Park. And I'm just so blessed to have another plant added to our collection. So this one is a Ficus ruby. There you go. So I've never really owned one before, and again, I wasn't really intending to get colored plants, but this one's really nice. Considering red is my favorite color as well, this one's very bright and red. As it gets older, it looks like the variegation of it becomes a little bit lighter and creamy and white. There is a whiter version of this, the Ficus teneki. I think that's how you say it. And maybe in future, once we move again to our house, I'm planning to get one. But as of now, it's really nice to have this plant. It's very unexpected. But yeah, really blessed to have owned one of these. Alright, if you guys want to see a detailed picture of this, you can follow my Instagram page, and I will link that down below and also at the end of this video as well. So those are two special plants so far that I've gotten recently. Third one, this one I probably have an excuse to actually buy, as I told my wife, purely because it is something that's really special to me. For some of you guys who have been watching my previous videos, we have lost our first child through a miscarriage, and the first plant that I really wanted to remind us of our first child was this Peperomia Moonlight. Alright, so there you go, that's how it looks like. And as you guys can see, it's a Peperomia. It's very healthy. It's really nice. It's actually really glittery. and shiny when it's exposed to sunlight. But when I look at this, it just reminds me of our child, because this is the first plant that I really thought about. So it's a plant that's not that expensive, but it's really special to me as well. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys, and plus it's recently that I got this. So those are the 3 plants that I wanted to share with you guys. The story that I didn't tell you guys about the Thigh Constellation or the Variegated Monstera is that in the past I've actually wanted to get one for $30, and I don't know if it's stupid that I did, but I posted it in one of the rare plant group that I wanted to buy one for $30, even if it's just a node without any leaf whatsoever. And everyone just said really nasty comments because of how expensive this is. And now, you know, I respect those comments, and I didn't essentially, you know, get mad at them, but I understand why people would get so mad, you know, with me asking for $30. You know, at the moment, I am just really blessed to finally have owned one, and hopefully I actually make this live and actually grow more fuller and bushier like my other plants. So yeah. Alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed that unboxing video and sharing those other 3 plants that I showed you guys. If you guys like this video, then please give me that like button. If you want to see me make more videos like this is becoming now a plant channel, then please click that subscribe button. Alright, otherwise I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.